For the last 2 days on Gravitas, we have been reporting on Boeing. The company's best-selling plane is under a cloud. In the last 5 months, the new Boeing 737 MAX 8 has crashed twice. This has raised doubts over the safety of the aircraft. After dragging its feet, the Indian aviation watchdog has finally taken a step. It has grounded all the MAX aircraft in India until further notice. Any other 737 MAX 8 jet is barred from entering the Indian airspace.
पूरी जांच करके हम लोगों ने कल रात को तय किया कि इन प्लेन्स को हम लोग ग्राउंड कर दें, इनको आगे और उड़ना न दें, और जब इनमें सेफ्टी मॉडिफिकेशन वगैरह जब हो जाएंगे फिर ही इनको हम लोग फिर सर्विस में आने दें। तो ये रात को हम लोगों ने निर्णय लिया और आज सुबह तक सब जो फ्लाइट्स चल रही थी उनको कैंसिल कर दिया गया है, उनको ग्राउंड कर।
Earlier, the DGCA had issued new guidelines for this plane. It had said that only senior pilots will be allowed to fly. After the crash of the Ethiopian Airlines plane, several regulators have felt that it is best to be safe than sorry. Thankfully, India is on that list now. But what sparked these safety concerns? The crash in Ethiopia is very similar to the Lion Air crash that happened in Indonesia. Safety concerns were raised then as well, but now they've grown louder. The investigation is on and the focus is on this plane, the Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft. It was the same type that crashed in October last year, barely 6 months ago. That plane too was a Boeing 737 MAX 8. The list of the countries that have banned this plane has grown longer. Now, at least 40 countries have banned the Boeing 737 MAX 8, and this includes all members of the European Union. And with this, nearly two-thirds of all Boeing 737 MAX 8 planes in the world have been grounded. How has Boeing responded, you may ask? How does it defend itself in the face of such serious concerns and stern measures? The company has not budged. Their statement reads, and I quote, "We understand that regulatory agencies and customers have made decisions that they believe are most appropriate for their home markets. It is also important to note that the Federal Aviation Administration is not mandating any further action at this time, and based on the information currently available, we do not have any basis to issue new guidance to operators." Very well.